It seems a little strange, but I just can't explain why I'm tearing out a page and then I'm sending it out over the ocean. And I've been feeling down lately, ever since I met you, baby. People say I'm acting crazy, they say that I'm over emotional. Yeah, there's something wrong in my mind. Yeah, there's something wrong in my mind. Yeah, there's something wrong. Well, now everybody says it's funny, but I can't say it seems very funny to me. People come and go, and I know now that you know. Yet the noises in my throat say I'll take however long that it takes me. I can't